Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting on the daily for our bullish and bearish scenarios. On the all-time history, we are looking for an A B and a C here, finished wave A or wave W. After this, we see of course 1 2 3 4 5 towards the downside, finishing wave A and ABC for your wave B, and then 1 2 3 4 and a 5 to finish of course a wave C. In this case scenario, you have finished 3 waves up, 3 waves down for your wave B or for your wave X here after a W, X, and a Y, or an A, B, and a C. In case you are in the yellow count, A, B, and a C, you are looking therefore after this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 1 here. Because your wave C has to be an impulse toward the upside, or it can be of course a contracting ending diagonal in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your targets for a wave 1-to-1, of course, taken for a wave C is, of course, here the $40.79. And that because you are in a regular flat here, as 3 waves up, 3 waves down, your wave C has to reach, of course, between the 1-to-1 fib level and 1.05 fib level for this wave C, of course, and inside, of course, this blue zone. In case you are in a W, X, and a Y, your W, X, and a Y, your wave Y can be a little bit shorter here and can end up with a 3-structure wave, meaning A, B, and a C is a possible scenario where you have a zigzag correction and of course impulse correction and impulse for a zigzag here, finishing in between those fib levels 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level taken of course from the W to the X, and giving us of course between the $22 and the $14 targets for this scenario. Now let's take a look of course what happened here, because of course this is your 3 corrective waves in any case scenario, because you are looking for higher. In any case scenario, you're looking of course for one more wave toward the upside, unless you are bearish still and you're looking for a bigger A, B, and a C toward the downside, and then start to move toward the upside again for bullish scenario. However, is this a bearish scenario still unfolding? Probably, but yeah, we don't have any kind of insights here for a wave C, meaning for a wave C, you would like to see an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your start here is looking like 3 waves toward the downside, therefore directly corrective, and we cannot consider a wave C unless, of course, if you're considering a ending diagonal, which is not possible even to reach the perfect fib level for a wave C, so very, very low possibility. Now let's dive a little bit here to see when we're gonna end up this correction ABC toward the downside, where we're still of course looking after one more wave toward the downside. As you can see, we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 without invalidation, right? So very perfect impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, still looking for one more wave, 5. Now on the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart showing us here our impulse, of course, with a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, perfectly, of course, done. Now, yeah, probably that you are, of course, here in a running flat, ABC, right? We didn't took the high, but it's fine. It can be an AB and a C, still a running flat. And that because your wave 2 here, yeah, is longer than in time than your wave 4. So preferably to take this as a wave 4 related, of course, to this wave 2, right? And based on alternation for the Elliott wave rules, this looks perfect, right? Now we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, obviously that this wave 5 is gonna be very shallow and not very strong, and that because of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you are probably requesting an extended wave 5. Yeah, in this case scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to take at least the low with few dollars. Yeah, so this is the scenario. And by the way, as you can see, the 1-to-1 fib level is already hit. Yeah, already hit by this correction. A, B, and a C already took the 1-to-1 and the 1.05. The only problem here is that you did not finish a structure. And that's all the case here, where you have probably, okay, let's say if it is a W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y is of course a zigzag down, zigzag up, right? Or even zigzag up. Let's say this is your zigzag down. This 1 2 1 2 3, yeah, 4 5 4 5. So where are the finishing of this zigzag? So in both case scenario, you need still to end up this structure. Yeah, in all cases scenario, if you are a WXY or if you are an AB and a C. Yeah, because here finished impulse ABC, yeah, and then of course you're looking 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Yeah, where are your wave 5? Yeah. Let's say in different manner that this is your wave A or 1 2 3 4 5 A, and this is a bigger correction ABC, and then 1 2 1 2 3. Where is your 4 and 5? Yeah, so this is a scenario that we need to finish here. In all case scenario, ABC or WXY, one more leg, one more low would be ideal, of course, to move toward the upside. Yeah, and you still, of course, above the perfect fib level for a wave 2, meaning on the daily again, if we move up here, remember that we are in a 1 2 and this is your wave 2. So by finishing this correction, you're gonna finish, of course, a 1 2 and then looking for higher prices. Of course, it's not necessarily to hit the perfect box because you are already, I think, over below the 0.5. Yes, already around the 0.5. So this is also a very nice target for a wave 2. Don't forget it. Yeah, probably then, of course, higher for WXY. Probably your wave Y can hit the 1-to-1 fib level, $22, or even can go impulsive toward the upside for a $40 for near. And let's take also a final look at KGT. So on KGT, the 5-minute chart, we can see, of course, we have a very, very strong, invalidated, strong, invalidated bullish signal here. Because, of course, you see, of course, a very, very low price action taking this low from this signal here. Now giving us, of course, another bullish signal, but it is invalidated. And that means this move to the upside will not take the high here. Cannot take the high. And, of course, we're still looking here for something to be unfolded on the 5-minute chart. Let's check the 15. So on the 15-minute chart, yeah, also, yeah, of course, it shows the same invalidated bullish signal here, but we still have a valid bearish signal. Let's go a little bit with the weaker signals. Also here, yep, here we go. This one, and this bullish signal here, bearish signal, yeah. Very, very nice conversions, yeah, between the tops here and those one. But yeah, with this divergence, it was invalidated by taking, of course, the low. Meaning higher possibility as well on KGT is for the bearish. One more low, of course, is preferably to finish this impulse. I would say just taking it with few dollars. This is all what you need, of course, to have for need to move on. That was it for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.